My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2017 Volkswagen Golf GTI. This vehicle has done just under 72,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, to the left we can access key features such as media, smartphone integration, navigation and traffic reports. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. If we press our mode button, we can switch between our 4 different driving modes: individual, eco, normal and sport. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.